Echo Show 8 connects to Alexa to give you rich stereo sound with vivid visuals on an 8 HD screen. Set alarms and timers, display your favorite photos, check weather and traffic as you head out, or catch up on news highlights and movie trailers. Connect with your favorite people by making hands-free video calls to the Alexa app or another Echo with a screen. Use announcements to send voice messages to every room with a supported Echo device. Or use drop-in as a two-way intercom between rooms. With an 8 HD screen and stereo sound, Alexa can help manage your day at a glance. Connect with your favorite people. Make hands-free video calls to the Alexa app or another Echo device with a screen. Instantly connect to other supported devices in your home, or make a voice announcement to every room with a supported Echo device. Ask Alexa to show you movie trailers, TV shows, movies, or news. Or listen to radio stations, podcasts, and audiobooks. Voice control compatible devices, or manage them on the easy-to-use display. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Show off your Amazon photo albums. Customize your home screen. Create morning routines to start your day. Cook along to step-by-step recipes. Easily update to-do lists and calendars. Glance at weather and traffic on your way out. Electronically disconnect the microphones and camera with one press of a button. Slide the built-in shutter to cover the camera. When it comes to sound quality on the Echo Show 8, you might be pleasantly surprised. The pair of 2-inch speakers are a little smaller than the 2.2-inch speakers in the 10-inch Show, and you can hear the slight difference in sound quality, especially at higher volumes. When you push it, the Show 8 starts sounding a little buzzy, and it doesn't have the range and distinction of the Echo standalone speaker or 10-inch Echo Show. But the Echo Show 8's single-quote sound quality is much higher than the more diminutive Show 5, which only has a single 1.7-inch speaker. In fact, set side by side with the latest Amazon Echo Smart Speaker, the Show 8 produces somewhat similar results as long as you keep the volume in the middle of its range. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another product review. Till then, stay connected with Cyrus Syndicate UK.